Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Kareem. I'm Kareem, and I'm very happy to see you again. I hope you're having a wonderful day.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sarah, and today we have a very interesting topic that millions of people are asking.
Let me ask you a simple question. Can learning English really make you rich?
Or is English just another language that people learn at school?
Imagine this. Two people have the same education, the same experience, and the same skills, but one of them speaks English and the other doesn't. Who do you think has more opportunities?
Do companies pay more to people who speak English? Can English help you travel, work online, or even start your own business?
Some people believe English is the key to success. Others think hard work is more important than any language.
So, who's right? Can English really change your future, or is it only one part of the journey?
Stay with us until the end because today we're going to answer these questions, share real life examples, and discover why English has become one of the most valuable skills in today's world.
Don't forget to subscribe to English with Kareem, follow us on TikTok, English with Kareem, and like our Facebook page, Learn English with Kareem.
Now, let's get started. Sarah, in my opinion, English doesn't automatically make you rich, but it can give you opportunities that many people never have.
I agree, Kareem. Today, many international companies are looking for people who can speak English. Sometimes speaking English can help you get a better job with a higher salary.
That's true. And it's not only about jobs. Thousands of people earn money online by teaching, freelancing, creating YouTube videos, or working with clients from different countries. In many of these situations, English is a big advantage.
Exactly. Imagine you're a graphic designer or a programmer. If you only speak your native language, your clients may be limited. But if you speak English, you can work with people from all over the world.
Even YouTubers and content creators use English to reach millions of viewers. Many successful creators learned English because it helped them grow their audience and learn new skills.
And let's not forget education. Many of the best online courses, books, and learning platforms are available in English. When you understand English, you have access to a huge amount of knowledge.
That's one of the reasons I started learning English. I wanted to improve myself, communicate with more people, and create better opportunities for my future.
But here's something important. English is only a tool. If you don't work hard, learn new skills, and stay consistent, English alone will not make you successful.
You're absolutely right. Success comes from discipline, patience, and continuous learning. English simply helps you open more doors.
Think about famous entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals. Many of them never stop learning. They read books, watch courses, and communicate with people around the world, often in English.
So, if your dream is to travel, find a better job, study abroad, build an online business, or become a successful content creator, learning English can be one of your greatest investments.
The good news is that you don't have to be perfect overnight. Learn a few new words every day, practice speaking, listen to English conversations, and keep improving little by little.
Remember, your future is built by the small actions you take every day. Learning English today could create opportunities that change your life tomorrow.
So maybe the real question isn't, can English make you rich? Maybe the better question is, what opportunities could you miss if you never learn English?
So, can English really make you rich? In my opinion, the answer is yes, but not by itself. English opens doors, but you must be willing to walk through them.
That's right. English is a powerful tool, but success also requires hard work, patience, new skills, and the courage to keep learning every day.
Every new English word you learn is an investment in your future. One day it could help you get your dream job, travel the world, start a business, or meet amazing people from different countries.
Remember, you don't have to be perfect. The most important thing is to start today, practice every day, and never give up.
I started learning English because I wanted a better future, and I believe you can do the same. Your journey begins with one small step.
Now we have a question for you. Do you think learning English can change your life? Why or why not?
Share your opinion in the comments. We'd love to hear your story and your goals.
If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Kareem, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson.
Also, follow us on TikTok, English with Kareem, and like our Facebook page, Learn English with Kareem, for more English conversations and helpful learning tips.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, your future starts with what you do today. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.